Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank first of all the people that have subscribed, that's very important. Secondly, the people that have done the thumbs up, that's brilliant, thank you so much. And also the people that have pressed the old bell notification, that's fantastic as well. Moving on, today I'm going to be taking the bumpers off front and back. On the back it's pretty muddy around the back, so you have to take the bumpers off to actually get to it. And I'm going to be looking at how much rust, and there's any serious rust around there. I'm going to take the front bumpers off, the front bumper off I should say, and I'm going to be washing off the engine. I've got the power steering to look at because it's got a leak, so I need to put some oil in there, in the reservoir, just to make sure where it's coming from, reaffirm where I think it's coming from. Moving on from there, I've still got quite a lot of work to do. I've got some front springs to put on. I've got a broken one this side where I'm stood now. I've also got some more parts on order, some parts for the engine, and so I'm working towards getting the car MOT'd, and then I'm going to be spending a lot more time and money on the car. I need to get it painted because it's got a few nasty bits onto it, so I've got some paintwork needs doing. I've got the underneath to do. I've got a friend that's got a ramp that I can put it on and spend as much time as I like cleaning off the bottom and doing some work on that. And then I've got the tyres. Actually, before the MOT, I've got to put the tyres on. It's going to have the wheel rims done and tyres, new tyres, because the tyres are 20 years old. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, without further ado, let's get on. Next up is taking these two bolts out from in the boot. That's up. There's one. And on the other side. And this one here. This one just, you can see that on my finger. That one just there. Okay, that's good. Stay down. Right, next we're going to take these two big clips that fit right into the bumper. Okay. So all the number plate lights, you've got to squeeze these two together and push it up to get them off, and then you've got to twist that around and to release it, like so, and then you can push that back through. And the same on this one, so you pull that up, twist it, and push it back through. So that should be the number plate at the bumper. That should be the bumper all clear to come off. Okay, obviously hasn't been cleaned for years, but I'm amazed how little rust there is on it. Let's go back again. Incredible, that's brilliant. Okay, and down there, just a bit of surface rust. This is the bit I need to clean up and have a good look at. You can see all the mud on there. Okay, up there, and I can see that up there. Right, next is going to be the front bumper to come off. So I'm going to get underneath and I'm going to see where the bolts are going to take out. I've got up there underneath behind the pawn there, right up there. There's one there, and there's one the other side just there, both fingers, yeah. And then we've got a nut and, I don't know if it's got a nut and bolt on this one, up in behind there. And then around this side, I have no one, it is right up in there, through that gap. That's it. See that nut sticking out? You can't see that one, but it's right up there. I'm going to get that one out as well. Okay, so that's my next job, and I've obviously got to disconnect all the cables. Right, I've got the bolts out. I'm just going to get this bumper off. It should just slide off now, hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, here we go. And just unconnect these connectors. Let's have a look, see what we've got here. Okay, it looks like this. Just pull there, does it? Hang on. Generally of this type. Press that button in, and pull. That's it. Just press the button in. Right, I've been pressure washing underneath and giving it a good clean. As you can see from up here, looks a lot better, and that isn't too bad, to be fair. I don't think it's too bad. It's certainly going to clean up okay. There's no nasty bits. Okay, a little bit, and I had a little clean up underneath there as well whilst I was at it. I've been cleaning off the front of this engine and the lower part of it. Underneath the front here, it was pretty grimy underneath there. It wants several goes at this. Basically it really wants a steam cleaner on it. I've been looking for I've steamed off the steering rack. I'm looking for any leaks. I haven't actually seen anywhere where it could be leaking. It hasn't lost any fluid since I put it in and booked the steering. So I can't really do any more. Next up is going to be the springs, the front springs. So I'm going to leave the bumpers off until I've done that. So that's about it for this video. So the old usual, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Thirdly, click that bell. The bell with the reminder, and last of all, if you make a comment, I would appreciate it, and I'll try and respond to as many as I possibly can. Thanks again. Bye for now.